Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Proton VPN on Android with secure DNS, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Proton VPN on your Android device with secure DNS, start by downloading the Proton VPN app from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Proton VPN and tap the search icon. Once you find the Proton VPN app, tap on Install to download and install it. After installation, open the Proton VPN app. If you already have an account, tap on Login. If you do not have an account, select Get Proton VPN Free and follow the prompts to create one. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you will see the main interface of the app. To set up secure DNS, tap on the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the DNS settings option. Select Use Custom DNS from the available options. You will need to enter a secure DNS server address now. A common choice for secure DNS is Cloudflare, which uses the address 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Alternatively, you can use Google's secure DNS with the addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After entering the desired DNS addresses, confirm your settings. Now, return to the main interface of the app. Select a VPN server location by tapping on the location of your choice. Once you have selected a server, tap on the Connect button. The app will initiate the connection process. Once connected, you will see a status indicator that shows you are securely connected. Your internet traffic is now encrypted, and secure DNS is enabled. You can verify your IP address and DNS leak to ensure everything is functioning as expected. To disconnect from the VPN, simply tap the Disconnect button in the app. You have successfully connected Proton VPN on Android with secure DNS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.